Hey, welcome to Tutorial Lore. This video explains the Tayasui Sketches, drawing and illustration app and whether it's worth using. Quick disclaimer. This is an explained review based on user feedback and online data, not personal use or a visual demo. Tayasui Sketches is a digital drawing and illustration app designed to give users a realistic, paper-like drawing experience. Known for its smooth interface and natural-feeling brushes, the app is used by hobbyists, students, and professional artists alike. It's available on iOS, Android, and desktop, offering a clean workspace with tools that mimic pencils, watercolors, acrylics, markers, and more. The app focuses on simplicity and realism, allowing users to create detailed artwork without unnecessary complexity. The app's main features include a variety of highly responsive brushes, layers, blending modes, watercolor simulations, patterns, and an intuitive toolbar. The Pro version unlocks advanced tools such as layer editing, additional brushes, color pickers, gradients, and cloud backup support. Users can also export artwork in high resolution, making it suitable for sharing or printing. If you found this video helpful so far, drop a like. Let's talk about how it performs in actual use. Many users appreciate its realistic brush engine, minimal learning curve, and beautifully designed interface. The app is popular among artists who want a lightweight alternative to larger programs like Procreate or Adobe Fresco. Its watercolor and pencil tools receive special praise for their natural texture and smooth blending. The app also runs efficiently on most devices, making it accessible to beginners. However, there are some drawbacks. Many advanced tools require the paid Pro upgrade, which some users find limiting in the free version. The layer system is simpler than what professional artists may need, and some users report occasional lag when handling very large canvases. Cloud syncing features may also vary by device, and Android users sometimes experience fewer brush options than iOS. In summary, the Tayasui Sketches app may be worth using if you want a clean, realistic drawing experience with beautifully responsive tools and an easy-to-learn interface. However, if you rely on advanced layer controls or professional-level features, you may find the free version restrictive and might prefer a more robust drawing app. This is not a commercial or paid promotion, but an informational video. For inquiries, contact the email address stated in the description.